Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
Today, we are traveling to Ibaraki Prefecture.
Yes, but this trip will not be a simple list of famous places.
Then what kind of trip will it be?
It will be a journey of questions.
A journey of questions. That sounds interesting.
Ibaraki has many different faces: history, flowers, food, science, mountains, waterfalls, and the sea.
So we will ask questions and discover the answers.
Exactly. Each question will help us learn useful English.
I like that. Questions make learning feel alive.
Please listen slowly, read the subtitles, and imagine the scenes.
You can repeat after us, or just relax and listen.
Let's begin our question journey in Ibaraki.
Question number 1 is waiting for us.
Our first question is simple. What does Mito feel like?
I know Mito is famous for Kairakuen Garden.
Yes, Kairakuen is known for plum blossoms and a peaceful garden atmosphere.
The garden feels calm, but not boring.
Great sentence. The garden feels calm, but not boring.
The garden feels calm, but not boring.
When you describe a place, you can use contrast.
Contrast means showing two different ideas, right?
Exactly. Calm, but not boring. Quiet, but full of life.
Quiet, but full of life. I like that.
Please repeat. This garden is quiet, but full of life.
This garden is quiet, but full of life.
You can also ask, what makes this place special?
What makes this place special?
Excellent. This question is useful in many travel conversations.
Emily, I have a very important question.
Let me guess. Is it about natto?
Yes. Why is natto so memorable?
Good question. Natto has a strong smell and a sticky texture.
Sticky texture. That phrase is useful.
Yes, sticky means something stays attached or feels glue-like.
Natto has a sticky texture.
Good, but instead of saying it is strange, you can say it is unique.
Natto has a unique flavor.
Excellent. Unique means different in a special way.
At first, I was not sure about it.
Very natural. At first, I was not sure about it.
At first, I was not sure about it, but now I want to try it again.
That is real food English. Food can surprise us.
So, the answer is natto is memorable because it is unique.
The next question takes us to a wide flower field.
Is this Hitachi Seaside Park?
Yes. In spring, the blue flowers can make the hills look like the sky came down to earth.
That is beautiful. The sky came down to earth.
Our question is, can a flower field feel like another world?
I think, yes. This place feels almost unreal.
Great phrase. This place feels almost unreal.
This place feels almost unreal.
Almost unreal means so beautiful or surprising that it feels like a dream.
I want to take in the view slowly.
Excellent. Take in the view means to look slowly and enjoy it.
I want to take in the view slowly.
Another useful sentence is, I have never seen anything like this before.
I have never seen anything like this before?
The answer is yes. A flower field can feel like another world. Now, our question moves to the sea in Oarai.
The ocean looks powerful here.
Good. The ocean looks powerful here.
The ocean looks powerful here.
Powerful means strong and impressive.
What does the sea teach us?
Maybe it teaches us to be humble.
Humble. That is a deep word.
Humble means you do not think you are more important than everything else.
The sea makes me feel humble.
Very good. The sea makes me feel humble.
The sea makes me feel humble.
You can also say, I want to stand here quietly for a moment.
I want to stand here quietly for a moment.
The answer may be simple. The sea teaches us to slow down. Our next question is at Fukuroda Falls.
The sound of the waterfall is huge.
Good. The sound of the waterfall is huge.
Why do waterfalls make us stop talking?
Maybe because nature is speaking louder than we are.
That is poetic.
Yes, but the English is still simple.
Nature is speaking louder than we are.
Good. You can also say, I am speechless.
I am speechless.
Speechless means you are so surprised or moved that you cannot speak easily.
I am speechless because the waterfall is so beautiful.
Excellent. That is a very natural sentence.
The mist feels cool on my face.
Nice detail. Details make English more vivid. Now, we climb toward Mount Tsukuba.
It does not feel too scary, but it feels important.
That is a thoughtful sentence.
Is Mount Tsukuba a gentle mountain or a strong mountain?
Maybe it is both.
Both. Gentle and strong.
Good contrast. Gentle and strong.
This mountain feels gentle and strong.
Very good. This mountain feels gentle and strong.
This mountain feels gentle and strong.
You can say, the view opens up as we climb.
The view opens up as we climb.
Open up means to become wider or clearer.
The view opens up, and I feel lighter.
The answer is both. Mount Tsukuba can feel gentle and strong. Our next question is in Tsukuba Science City.
This feels different from gardens and mountains.
Yes. Here, our question is, can science feel like travel?
I think science is also a journey.
Great idea. Science is also a journey.
Science is also a journey.
A journey does not always mean moving from one place to another.
It can also mean learning step by step.
Exactly. You can say, learning is a journey.
Learning is a journey.
Another useful phrase is, I am curious about space.
I am curious about space.
Curious means you want to know more.
I am curious about how rockets work.
The answer is yes. Science can feel like a journey of questions. Now, we step into a quiet shrine forest.
Is this Kashima Shrine?
Yes. Our question is, what makes a shrine feel timeless?
Timeless means it does not feel old or new, right?
Exactly. It feels connected to many years, but still alive now.
The forest feels timeless.
Good. The forest feels timeless.
The forest feels timeless.
You can also say, I want to walk with respect.
I want to walk with respect.
Respect is important when we visit old and sacred places.
The quiet path makes me slow down.
Beautiful. The quiet path makes me slow down.
Maybe that is the answer.
Yes. A timeless place teaches us to slow down. The next question is very tall.
Are we visiting the giant Buddha in Ushiku?
Yes. Our question is, why does a giant statue make us look up?
Because it is huge.
True. But maybe there is more.
It makes me feel small, but peaceful.
Excellent sentence. It makes me feel small, but peaceful.
It makes me feel small, but peaceful.
This is another useful contrast.
Small, but peaceful.
You can say, I look up and take a deep breath.
I look up and take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath means breathe in slowly and deeply.
The answer is not just size, it is feeling.
Exactly. Big places can create quiet feelings. Now, our final question is simple.
How do we remember Ibaraki?
Good. How do we remember Ibaraki?
I remember it as a place of questions.
Beautiful. A place of questions.
Mito asked me what makes a place special.
Natto asked you to be open-minded.
The flower fields asked me to look more slowly.
The sea asked you to be humble.
The waterfall made me speechless.
Mount Tsukuba felt gentle and strong.
Tsukuba Science City reminded me that learning is a journey.
Kashima Shrine taught respect.
Ushiku made me look up and breathe.
So, Ibaraki is not a quiet prefecture with nothing to say.
It is a quiet prefecture with many questions.
Now, let's review today's useful phrases.
Today's phrases feel more like questions and discoveries.
Number 1. What makes this place special?
What makes this place special?
Number 2. This garden is quiet, but full of life.
This garden is quiet, but full of life.
Number 3. At first, I was not sure about it.
At first, I was not sure about it.
Number 4. This place feels almost unreal.
This place feels almost unreal.
Number 5. The sea makes me feel humble.
The sea makes me feel humble.
Number 6. I am speechless.
I am speechless.
Number 7. This mountain feels gentle and strong.
This mountain feels gentle and strong.
Number 8. Learning is a journey.
Learning is a journey.
Number 9. The forest feels timeless.
The forest feels timeless.
Number 10. I look up and take a deep breath.
I look up and take a deep breath.
Bonus phrase. Ibaraki is a place of questions.
Ibaraki is a place of questions.
Great job. Please practice these phrases again.
Questions help us remember English.
Today, we traveled through Ibaraki with questions.
We visited Mito, Kairakuen, a Natto breakfast, Hitachi Seaside Park, Oarai, Fukuroda Falls, Mount Tsukuba, Tsukuba Science City, Kashima Shrine, and Ushiku.
But more than places, we practiced how to ask and notice.
I learned that a quiet place can have many answers.
That is a beautiful lesson.
Ibaraki was calm, surprising, powerful, gentle, and curious.
Please listen again and repeat your favorite phrases.
And, when you travel, try asking your own questions in English.
What place should we visit next?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.